This is Johnny Taylor, author of The Trouble with HR. And I have a tip today for some of our older unemployed workers. It has to do with your salary expectations. I've seen two recent incidents where one person was asked what was their salary expectation for a job that clearly said they pay $50,000 a year, and the person put $75,000 a year because that's what they last made. That was dumb. And I would suggest to you that you keep it open. You are competing in a depressed economy, and you're competing with people who don't have the experience that you have and therefore might outprice you in the market, or underprice you as the case would be. So tip number one is to make sure you not let your past salary get in the way. And then during the interview, you may be specifically asked about your expectations for salary. And what you say is, I've seen the salary requirements, or you ask about the salary requirements or the offered salary for the job, and remain very flexible when it comes to that. Because after all, if you're the star that you are, take the salary, try to get to the higher end of their range, and then prove yourself to be a star, and you'll get back to where you were.